was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my dog is sitting behind the bag by my pillows, so if you see a furry little thing moving, that is my dog. So this is my bag. It is a patent leather Betsey Johnson satchel bag, and I'm not exactly sure what the name of this bag is, but if I find the exact name or the exact bag, I will definitely put it in the description down below. So it is a baby pink bag. That was the description when I purchased it. This was a Poshmark find. I'm a collector, but the bags that I tend to gravitate towards are the more pink, girly, kawaii kind of bags. I know that she has different types of aesthetics and colors for different kinds of people, but these are just the kinds that I tend to collect. It's actually kind of looking a little bit peach on camera. I don't know what that's about. Anyway, this is from her newer line. This is from the post Betseyville debacle. So these are all of the newer bags that were sold in Macy's and on the website. So let me just show you guys what it looks like. So it has this tufted heart design all over the bag with gold hardware. This is not large, this is pretty medium sized. I mean, to some people it might be a little bit on the large side. And it has a decorative bow keychain that you can't detach. This actually kept falling off, so I've had to glue this. I may take off the bow entirely at some point in the future. I'm not sure if it cheapens the look of the bag or not. But this is it. You can carry it as a satchel, and the straps, for me at least, are long enough that I could put it under my arm. That's a little more difficult just because the bag itself is on the wide side, so that would be a little bit uncomfortable under the arm. It does have a zipper on the top, and the zipper has a cute little heart thing. So this is the inside of the bag. So it just has a top zipper, and then it has, oh, this was open, one of those smaller zippers that pretty much every bag has. And little pocket compartments on the side, 2 of them. So the first thing that I took out of my bag is this Victoria's Secret makeup bag. This is not the bag that I use for makeup. I've been using this for keeping extra masks, tissues, Advil hand sanitizer, stuff like that, just basic necessities. And my masks are purple. Then the next item I'm pulling out are my sunglasses. I love this patent leather red case. I got these from the Saks outlet, which is called Saks Off 5th, and you can find a lot of really nice designer sunglasses there for really good prices. And these are just such a pretty purple. These are going to be my everyday spring sunglasses. Then of course I have my iPhone. This is the iPhone 11 Pro. I haven't updated yet, and I don't plan to anytime really soon, maybe the end of the year. I just have this pretty purple marble case from Velvet Caviar and this nice kind of matching pop socket that I just got at a Barnes & Noble one day. So this is my phone. I don't usually keep body sprays on hand at all times, but this is in my purse because it's going in my car, so I figured I'd just show it. This is the Ari by Ariana Grande scent, and I love, 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 love this scent so much. I've used it so many times. I keep going through bottles of the perfume, so this is just the body spray. Then I have my car keys. I'm not going to show the cards on here because it will give away my location, but I have this really adorable Disney World inspired keychain, and it looks like one of the signs that they have in Orlando. Sadly they replaced these signs recently, but it just says my happy place straight ahead with the Mickey ears. And then I have a birdie. It's just a safety precaution. It makes really loud noises, so if you're running to your car late at night. And I have this BTS keychain. This was from the BTS McDonald's collaboration when Butter was coming out. This took about 5 months to come in the mail. The pre-order was crazy. Okay, so I've been looking forward to sharing this. This is my makeup pouch, and this is from Lauderay. I'm not exactly sure when this was released, but I bought this on Poshmark, and I think that this is a a French exclusive. It's a little bit on the delicate side, so I would not use this on my darker colored bags just because I'm afraid of color transfer. But it's super adorable, very Parisian looking, and I love it. It looks just like the Ladurée aesthetic pretty much. So inside it has a very pretty baby pink satin lining. So this is the face powder that I keep on me at all times. This is from the Pokemon collaboration with Louisa. I got this from a K-beauty shop in New York. It has a little Eevee on it, and it's mint, and it's very cute. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It's really adorable. Next I have this little Can Make eyeshadow trio, and I keep this in my bag because I wear the lighter color in the corner of my eye. This is a newer one. I've gone through a couple of these. I use the more opal shimmery color in the corner of my eyes and my brow bone, so sometimes I just like to keep this on hand just to reapply, and that's what that is. This is from the Japanese brand Can Make. I also have my favorite, well, one of my favorite mascaras. It's the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I always keep the lip color that I'm wearing during the day that I go out. So the last day that I went out, I wore this Lime Crime color. This is from the Plushies collection. The packaging is so freaking cute, and it's in the color Lavender Honey, in case you were wondering. I also, for some reason, have a Kylie lip color in here, and this is in the Cocoa K color. For the days that I don't wear makeup, I like to keep a little lip balm or something in here, so I just have a Baby Lips Crystal. It's just a sheer pink lip balm with some sparkles in it. Yes, I still am buying these baby lip things from Maybelline. I think they're so cute, and I use them all the time. I always keep an eyeliner in my bag just in case. This is from Dollywink. This is hands down one of my favorite holy grail eyeliners. It's amazing. It's from Japanese, I think they used to be a Gyaru brand, but it is. I actually like this better than the old Kat Von D tattoo liner formula, so that's definitely saying something. I almost always keep a little lash glue. This is also from Dollywink. This is one of my favorites as well. They just make good eyeliner products and lashes. The last item in the makeup bag is just a clip, because you never know. And then I just have a pen, because you never know when you're going to need to use a pen. This is from, I'm not sure, let me see. Oh, Pen Gems. So if you're into the planning community and planner stuff, that's where this is from. And then I have a scrunchie. This is a leopard print ginormous scrunchie because my hair is so freaking thick that I need those really obnoxiously big ones. And this one is from Amazon. This doesn't fit in my makeup bag, but I keep it in my bag anyway. Not all the time, just the days that I wear lashes. But it's just this eyelash holder. I'm pretty sure I've shown this before in my older What's in My Bag videos, but it's all it does is, so it just holds your lashes. It can hold up to 3, and I like these because sometimes during the day I just want to rip my lashes off, and it's a great place to store them. This is from Daiso, but I have seen this also on Amazon. And then I just have a pink claw hair clip. This one I think was from DSW. And then last but not least, my AirPods. I really need to get a case because this can get really scratched up really easily, so I definitely need to get one of those AirPod covers. So that is everything that is in my bag. I love watching these kinds of videos, and I really love filming these kinds of videos because I just really like anything that's super aesthetically pleasing. And I also really enjoy sharing some of my bag collection with you guys. At some point I will do either an entire bag collection video or just my Betsey Johnson bags, because I do have quite the growing collection of those. So hopefully you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and turn the bell notifications on so that you will be aware of all of my future uploads. Any information, like where my bag is from, will be down below in the description, as well as all of my social media links. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Hi, baby! Oh, you're such a good boy. Oh, okay, I'll let you sleep.